So, focus
so sir,
more.
in this kind of structured thing, like you gave this example, where could one add more lots, or where could how could things be done, or it's like you take multiple lots at the first stance itself. Suppose I took 5 lots, then as per the milestone comes, you keep exiting 2 lots or 1 lot, or you take your trade, and then as your your what you call, each milestone on the upside keeps coming, you keep adding. How
Okay.
does that work?
See, I'll tell you one thing. If you are able to manage one lot or one quantity properly, then increase it to double. Like one lot means two lots. One quantity means two
So,
quantity.
so you buy 2 lots together only. It's not that one after the other. You just buy two together.
See, doesn't matter how like, see, you are catching at the right structure or you are going to pyramid it, that doesn't matter. Okay, you can do pyramiding. So see, wait, I'll tell you how to do pyramiding. Okay, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me take over here. So until here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. Okay,
Yeah.
and then a small high has been made, and then and then a higher low has been made. Okay, now what I do, I take a position at this place, and my stop loss is here. Clear? Now the structure is forming a higher high, higher low. One more higher low is forming. I will take another entry over here. Again it is going higher high, higher low. One more higher high is forming. I can take a position over here.
Okay. Understood.
Okay. Then slowly it is forming some small consolidation sort of thing. I will not take anything over here because these are all very
Acha.
small. You
Small.
want
Okay. It
a,
has to be considerable. A considerable
yes,
path.
and then here and then forming here. Let it go.
So here I'll add. Huh.
Okay, let
Here
it go.
I'll add. Huh. Okay.
Let it go. Okay, and
Okay.
then formed a higher low but a lower high,
And
and
that's here
then
when I
this
exit.
structure is broken. I will book everything.
Okay.
I don't want to book one and I will wait for two. Let it another lower low whether it is forming or no. I don't want to do at all.
Okay. So basically, you keep adding as you move up or down, whatever your direction is. But
Yes.
when the structure is broken, you just book everything and get out.
Yes.
Okay.
It can trap me also. It can trap me. See,
Yeah.
after coming down, and after, like, say for example some 2 to 3 months it is again going up. But why do I need to
Yeah.
do
Yeah.
that? I don't want to do
Yeah.
that.
I mean, I can always take a new trade. You told
Yes.
me not to take one.
Why do I need to go for a new trade and do no need? So say for example, if I've taken a trade over here, it has
Yeah.
given a good move, good, fine,
Yeah.
that is done.
Mm, mm, mm.
Clear? So this is how you
Yeah.
need to position yourself.
Right.
Okay, and also one more thing is that I don't take most of the sell trades. A put trade
Acha,
or
the
a sell
short
trade
side.
on a
Okay.
long on
Short
a
side.
yeah, short side on a
Yeah.
longer
Yeah.
view. No, I don't take. Why? Because they are
Okay.
brutal.
Yeah. Yeah. Because basically the trend is on one side and you're going against the trend. So
Yeah, sometimes what happens is that
it will hit.
they will be super fast. See, Corona move, no
Yeah.
one would have captured. Many will say, I captured this. Like, no one would have captured, honestly.
Yeah. But
Many would
nobody
have
knew
booked
only where the
loss.
market was going and what is going to happen. How can
Yeah,
you say
who
that?
knows that from all
Yeah.
time high it
Yeah.
will go 50% down? Who knows? No one
Yeah.
knows.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Nobody knows.
again, one more bad thing on the sell side is that sometimes brutal, sometimes it will correct. It will go in a consolidation phase or a corrective phase where you will not get any premium benefit at all. Okay, rather than doing all these things, I would prefer that if there is a buy side trade, let me take it. Why do I need to worry about what will happen, what will happen, what will happen? No need to worry.
Now, for example, sir, if we see BSC,
Mm-hmm.
okay, now today BSC has kind of retraced quite a lot. I think retraced होके शायद sideways भी हो गया होगा अब तक तो.
Mm-hmm. That is okay. Here this part, this is okay. I don't have any issues at all because all these days it was forming a higher high, sorry, lower high, lower low,
No,
lower high, lower low
but
structure.
it's like
And
it's like
finally,
if I were
actually we could have captured it here if we had have
here
focused on
itself.
it,
Yes,
but then
yes,
we missed it. So, but still it has
yeah,
gone over here. Okay, now
correct,
this is looks like a pyramiding. So, say for
yeah,
example, this is the new higher high. and a higher low is formed. Again, this high is getting broken. This high is
Yeah.
2567 and this is 2577. So the high got broke. So
Correct.
people, those are focused on this candle, they could have taken it here, or focused on this
Yeah.
candle, they could have already taken the entry. So to me, I have taken an entry. So now let it consolidate, no problem. If my fate is that it will go for a loss, let it go for a loss. But if it has to go
No,
for a
but the thing,
loss, it has to break this.
if somebody had taken an option, I was just watching that chart.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody would have taken that option, must have seen around 16, 17,000 profit.
Mm-hmm.
Then that profit must have come down to maybe say 9,000, 10,000 something.
Mm-hmm.
And today that person must be just sitting probably at cost or in some little loss
Yes.
because he was holding.
Because so in
So
that
then,
case, what you need to do is, yeah, hello.
yeah,
Sorry. So here now, say for example, you are dealing with options. When you are
yeah,
dealing with options in a long-term chart, say daily time frame, you need to have a cushion. Cushion in the sense, it can consolidate. You cannot expect the market to go like this. It can
yeah,
consolidate,
yeah.
come like this, take some time rest, and then go up, then do like this.
Correct.
Okay. So at this time, what you need to do is, when you are taking a call option of around 2500 strike price, then sell a call option of 2600. Okay, by doing that, what will happen is your capital, whatever involved for the trade, also will reduce, and also you will have a cushion. Now let's say it is coming down. At the same time, 2600 call option would have come down, that would have given you a profit. Or let's say you have seen a profit of 16,000. When it is coming to 10,000 itself, you should have booked and come out.
Right, yeah,
Because it's already like 16,000 to 10,000. So 60% is getting wiped out.
yeah.
So you should come out. No matter
But then
whether it is again
what
going
I
to
to
go
do
up
is,
or
sir,
not.
I to keep waiting कि नहीं आ जाएगा आ जाएगा आ जाएगा, let me hold.
No. One thing, either if you are planning, no, this looks like a promising setup. Let me take some risk.
Yeah, yeah,
Then have a sell trade, 2,600 or 2,700. Sell it out
yeah, okay,
and see what is the profit you are going to come. Okay. Or one more thing is that go to a smaller time frame. See where the structure is changing. Okay. Let's assume this is the lower high and a higher low structure is getting formed. And slowly this structure is formed where this is the higher low and you are taking a trade here. And your
yeah,
stop loss is this. It is super duper move it has given. Okay, from here of
yeah, yeah, yeah,
2494 it has given a move
yeah,
till almost like 85 points. And you see it is coming down. Okay, now then it has made a lower high. Once this is broken, exit.
sorry,
See, when the structure is changing, you are exiting. So say for example, I'm
yeah,
repeating again.
yeah,
This is the lower high, fresh lower low, new higher high, new higher low, and
yeah,
this much move you have seen, but
correct,
unfortunately it is coming down,
yeah,
and then a lower high is formed. If
uh,
this low is broken, then
then you got get
then
out,
it is a
you get
lower
out.
low. That means you exit at this place.
Oh, okay, understood.
Then okay, you have seen a 16,000. Now you are seeing a 8,000. Happy, enjoy.
Yeah, yeah,
Or you go sell a call option, but the only bad thing is that you need to wait. Though we would
yeah,
have seen, yeah, it is still broken, but you have to wait. You have to wait.
yeah, yeah.
Sometimes it might
I would do that only.
reverse.
नहीं आया जाएगा, reverse हो जाएगा.
But why do we need to see?
Yeah,
Options are something like you enter fast, exit fast.
correct.
Okay, options. Last week I took an option trade in MCX. I booked it Friday itself, but see how it has gone. I'll tell you.
Yeah,
See here, the structure is broken. This is a lower low, and then it has formed a some high, but it is still a lower high, but it has formed a higher low structure over here. So once it is getting broken, or at this point also you can enter. It is just matter of points. See, say for example, this high is 9232 and this high is 9198. So almost like 30 points. So assume I entered over here. It has given a good move. Okay, but I still close the position because I see it can go further up, but what if it consolidates, even my profit
then
will
what
be in
will you
loss.
do?
So
Yeah,
rather than doing that, what I did, okay, let me exit. And again it has moved good. If I was waiting or like so curious, then what should I have done is I should have entered here on Monday. But I was like ignored. Okay, this is my thing, I came out. I have
Yeah,
no
you could have
worries.
re-entered. Okay.
Yes, I have no worries. And again, one more thing is that let's assume I was holding the trade. Okay, when this structure got broken, okay, this structure is broken, right? I should have exited the trade.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what you have to be like very promising that not only one stock will not make you a millionaire. There
Yeah,
are
that is okay.
2000, 3000 stocks are there, and in options or F&O market there are 500 stocks. So some or the other will give you an opportunity. But what you need to do is you need to wait for that opportunity rather than entering at very fast and then, oh my god, I made a small mistake, I should wait at. No. Enter patiently, exit fastly. When the setup is formed, enter. When you have seen a good amount of profit, exit. Or when the structure is broken, exit. Or when the weekend is coming, exit. Or there are one holidays coming, exit. But if I would have taken this position not in options and in stocks, okay, I would have bought a 50 stocks, okay, of MCX. I would have hold it, and I would have exited over here because the structure is broken. And why would I have bought over here? Because it was forming a lower high, lower low structure. Why I should not buy this? See, it is still forming. Only here the structure is changed. Okay.
Yeah.
So for the past 1.5 months, it has been in a small sideways to correction structure. The structure is changed. Okay, it
Yeah.
can go some good move. So let me take. Okay, and on a longer term structure, okay, longer term, if you see, it is just coming for a pullback. This high got broken. Once the breakout is done, it is just coming for a pullback. And when it is coming for the pullback, the volumes are also drying up. Whenever the red candle is forming, the volumes are drying up. So that means this MCX is just coming for a pullback. So obviously, it has to show some nature of going up. So let it
So
come.
can we say that pullback basically means when volume is drying up, you realize that it's a pullback, but not a
Yes,
break of structure.
not a break of structure.
Okay.
See, in a daily time frame, where I will see a break of structure. Okay. So here it has formed a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low only has formed. If this is broken, then okay, I need to rethink of what is going to happen. Unless and until this is not broken, I'm okay, good. Got it? No? Yes?
Yeah. Understood.
Okay. That's why I have not taught anything about volume. Volume also plays a role, but I have not taught anything on the volume. Firstly, structure.
Yeah, because I'm trying to understand. Because as you said, na, that the volume is drying up, and so I person like me to would say, "Arey, retracement ho raha hai, bhago." But so to understand the difference between structure break and pullback.
Yeah, so to me, structure break is key important. Okay, why? Because there are sometimes the volumes might not break at this pullback. Okay, but when another structure break is happening, at that time the volume might increase. Okay, so to me, if the structure is getting broken, then okay, I'll think of it. Otherwise, just ride it. Any stock you take, no matter of this stock, that stock, any stock, if the structure is changed, it will come down. If the structure is changed, it will go up. There are few stocks which are there, which will go in one single line, but don't take those stocks. Take stocks which has liquidity, better F&O stocks, and decide on how do you want to take it. Options are tricky, risky, huge theta decay and all those are there. Okay, so if you are going to deal with options, then patience is important, but exiting is very key, very critical.